1. Which type of life insurance beneficiary requires his/her consent when a change of beneficiary is attempted by the policy owner? A. Irrevocable beneficiary. B. Tertiary beneficiary. C. Primary beneficiary. D. Revocable beneficiary. Answer: A. Irrevocable beneficiary. An irrevocable designation may not be changed without the written consent of the beneficiary. 2. Under an individual health insurance policy, the time limit of certain defenses provision states that non-fraudulent misstatements first become incontestable 2 years. A. From the date that the policy was issued. B. From the date that the application was signed. C. From the date initial premium was collected. D. From the date of the sales appointment. Answer: A. From the date that the policy was issued. Under the time limit of certain defenses provision in an individual health policy, non-fraudulent misstatements first become incontestable 2 years from the date of the policy was issued. Three. The clause in an accident and health policy which defines the benefit amounts the insurer will pay is called the A. Contestable clause. B. Insuring clause. C. Consideration clause. D. Free look provision. Answer: B. Insuring clause. The insuring clause states the amount of benefits to be paid in an accident and health policy. Four. The individual who provides general medical care for a patient as well as the referral for specialized care is known as a A. Physician's assistant. B. Primary care physician. C. Secondary care physician. D. Third-party administrator. Answer: B. Primary care physician. The individual who provides general medical care for a patient as well as the referral for specialized care is known as a primary care physician. Five. L takes out a life insurance policy and dies 10 years later. During the claim process, the insurer discovers that L had understated her age on the application. Under the misstatement of age provision, the insurer will A. Pay the death benefit in full. B. Adjust the death benefit to an increased amount. C. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. D. Deny the claim. Answer: C. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. In this situation, the misstatement of age provision in the policy specifies that the insurance proceeds will be adjusted to a reduced amount. 6. The provision that can be used to put an insurance policy back in force after it has lapsed due to non-payment is called A. Reinstatement. B. Grace period. C. Automatic premium loan. D. Waiver of premium. Answer: A. Reinstatement. In cases where a policy owner wishes to reinstate a lapsed policy, the reinstatement provision allows the policy owner to do so with some limitations. 7. L takes out a life insurance policy and dies 10 years later. During the claim process, the insurer discovers that L had understated her age on the application. Under the misstatement of age provision, the insurer will A. Pay the death benefit in full. B. Adjust the death benefit to an increased amount. C. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. D. Deny the claim. Answer: C. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. In this situation, the misstatement of age provision in the policy specifies that the insurance proceeds will be adjusted to a reduced amount. 8. A life policy with a death benefit and cash value that can fluctuate according to the performance of its underlying investment portfolio is referred to as A. Adjustable life. B. Graded premium life. C. Variable life. D. Modified whole life. Answer: C. Variable life. The cash value and death benefits of a variable life policy can fluctuate according to the performance of its underlying investment portfolio. 9. Why would the insurance commissioner examine the records of an insurance company? A. To assess the company's value. B. To assist in underwriting. C. To set insurance rates for the company. D. To determine the solvency of the company. Answer: D. To determine the solvency of the company. The insurance commissioner may examine the records of an insurance company in order to determine the solvency of the company. 10. An insurer is not required to provide information on fraudulent claims if requested by A. The Texas Department of Insurance. B. The Attorney General. C. The Commissioner. D. An insured. Answer: D. An insured. On the written request of an authorized government entity, such as the Commissioner, Attorney General, or a local law enforcement agency, an insurer will provide to that entity any relevant information or material relating to a fraudulent matter under investigation. 11. Which of the following statements best describes dental care indemnity coverage? A. Services are reimbursed before the insurer receives the invoice. B. Services are reimbursed after insurer receives the invoice. C. In-network dentists must always be used. D. Very limited list of providers. Answer: B. Services are reimbursed after insurer receives the invoice. Dental care indemnity plans reimburse services only after the carrier receives the bill. 12. How does group insurance differ from individual insurance? A. Evidence of insurability is required. B. Premiums are higher. C. Premiums are lower. D. Pre-existing conditions not covered. Answer: C. Premiums are lower. Group insurance differs from individual insurance in that it provides coverage at a lower cost. 13. J is a subscriber to a plan which contracts with doctors and hospitals to provide medical benefits at a predetermined price. What type of plan does J belong to? A. Multiple employer welfare arrangement. B. Multiple employer trust. C. Health maintenance organization. D. Co-op arrangement. Answer: C. Health maintenance organization. A health maintenance organization, HMO, contracts with doctors and hospitals to provide medical benefits to subscribers at a predetermined price. 14. A comprehensive major medical health insurance policy contains an eligible expenses provision which identifies the types of healthcare services that are covered. All of the following healthcare services are typically covered, except for A. Hospital charges. B. Physician fees. C. Experimental and investigative services. D. Nursing services. Answer: C. Experimental and investigative services. All of these services are typically covered under a comprehensive major medical health insurance policy except for experimental and investigative services. 14. When determining the monthly benefit amount for a disability income policy, the factor that limits the amount a prospective insured may purchase is A. Occupation. B. Income. C. Age. D. Medical condition. Answer. B. Income. When determining the monthly benefit amount for a disability income policy, the factor that limits the amount a prospective insured may purchase is income.